What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Mike here, and today I'm going to show you a glitch in GTA, in Minecraft I mean. Should be right here. And the glitch should just bring any block up here. Then you should be facing downwards. Then bring your one and place 7 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then like this. Just like this. Then put this down. And then bring a sticky piston. Put it like this, and this one like this. Bring like this. It should be like this. Then put a redstone torch there, and this one here. Then you put 2 inside, and then put water. Then you place any block you want on top of the piston. Then you put a redstone torch in front of it, and voila! Here. And before, if you are in creative quick, just turn into survival and mine this. Or if you are in survival, you can just mine it. And you can do this a whole lot, and I mean a lot. And thank you guys for watching. It was Mike here, and see you later, guys. And please subscribe and like if this tutorial was very helpful for you guys. Thank you.